Hello everybody. Well, it's been a while since we've had to give a report on market volatility, but when you've been in this business for as long as I have, you know that it's always just a matter of time before you get some sell-off, and so it's happened again. Interestingly, you know, it's coming just as autumn's come upon us, and we've had this fantastic summer, and the weather's changed, so has the climate on the market. American shares, the S&P 500, and FTSE 100 UK shares peaked on 19th September, and since then they've come off by just over 9%. Europe has done worse, that's come off by over 11%. Now, lots of you will think that a lot of this sell-off in the markets is to do with the problems in Ukraine or the problems in Levant and Iraq, with ISIS militia strident in the region, but actually that's got nothing to do with it at all. What it's got to do with is everything to do with the fact that Europe seems to be sliding inexorably towards deflation, and the monetary type of responses that have been so successfully used in the UK and the US are not available to the European Central Bank and Mr. Draghi, because the Bundesbank and the German politicians really don't like quantitative easing. Absent any form of quantitative easing, it's likely that Europe will continue to slide towards deflation. Inflation in the Eurozone at the moment is just 0.3%, so we are a smidgen away from getting deflation on prices, and you've already got that in certain parts of the region. The chances are that Europe will eventually act. That tends to be the method in Europe. They wait, and then eventually do the right thing, or as someone once said, politicians do the right thing when all else fails. In the meantime, markets are getting a little wobbly, but do bear in mind, this is not a 2008 situation. Financial strength within major businesses, both sides of the Atlantic, is good. 10-year returns should be okay, but whilst you're holding those stocks, it's going to be a little bit of a bumpy ride for a while. On our portfolios, cautious portfolio remains defensive, as does balance, and growth actually hasn't fallen by the same rate. So we're relatively pleased with the way things have gone in the past few weeks, and hopefully there'll be some improvement as we go through the year.